what you're...
I'm going for something very aggressive.
Okay, I can see what you're going for. Hey, that's all you, bro.
This is gonna be very specific.
Huh? Oh. You ready?
I'll show you the dark side.
Guys, in this life, you need to understand when there's something that's so good and you don't realize how good it is, and it leaves you, you take it for granted, just realize how stupid you are. Yeah? Use your head. Use your fucking brain. Sorry. Why do you do that? Such silly mistakes over something that's so great, so glorious. Glorious! You're there doing stupidity. Jammed once, jammed twice. Huh? What's wrong with me? Huh? You! Yes, you! I hope this is karma. Yeah. You! Do better! Immediately! And so should I. We will do better.
Why you popping?
We do. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
You! Do better!